Hedy AI doesn't wait until a meeting ends to help you, it gives you live suggestions on your screen while you're still talking. I wanted to see if that's actually useful or just distracting, so I ran a real test conversation through it. Quick subscribe if you want more honest AI tool tests like this. Most of the tools I've tested on this channel record a meeting and summarize it afterward. Hedy is different. It listens live and surfaces suggestions, follow-up questions, and insights on screen while the conversation is still happening, then still gives you a full transcript and summary once it's done. Setup is a short onboarding flow. Select your language, what you'll use it for, and where your data gets stored, which is a permanent choice, so pay attention there. Sign in with Google, skip the optional questions, download the Windows app, and install it. Starting a session gives you 3 choices. Whether to save the session audio, which I turned on, the type of conversation, and the language. I selected business meeting since I'm testing a real client-style scenario, and English. I played the same test meeting I've used throughout this playlist, a client kickoff call about a checkout redesign.
Hi James, thanks for jumping on this call. I wanted to talk through the website redesign before we get started.
Of course. Happy to be here. I looked over the notes you sent.
A lot of customers at the payment step. Our current conversion
As it
rate...
played, I clicked into Hedy's quick prompts and selected Identify Blind Spots. And here's what it actually came back with. It flagged that no one had asked what the actual drop-off points in the checkout funnel were, and that there was no concrete definition of what hitting a 4 to 5% conversion target would actually require. It even suggested asking for real analytics data before committing to a design direction. That's a genuinely useful catch. It's not just repeating what was said, it's pointing out a real gap in the conversation. I also typed a direct question into the chat while the meeting was still playing: what is the main discussion? It correctly summarized the whole call, the conversion goal, guest checkout, mobile-first design, and the Thursday deadline James committed to, all while the conversation was still going. When the meeting ended, I clicked End Session. Under Details, it laid out a full summary, key points, action items, and to-dos. The transcript captured the full conversation, and there's a Generate Detailed Notes button that expands everything into a more thorough breakdown. Quickly on privacy, since Hedy is listening to live conversations, it offers on-device processing, a choice of where your data is stored including an EU option, and it's completed an independent SOC 2 Type 1 examination and a HIPAA assessment, with GDPR documentation available. On price, free plan gives you 5 hours a month with real-time coaching limited to the first 30 minutes per session. Pro is around $8 to $12 monthly depending on billing. If you want it forever, their own site charges $299 lifetime, but the AppSumo deal I used gets you the same lifetime access for $179, which is a genuinely better deal if you know you want this long-term. So here's my honest take. The live coaching genuinely surprised me. It caught a real gap in the conversation instead of just repeating what was said, and the mid-meeting chat is a legitimately useful feature none of the other tools in this playlist have. If you're in a lot of high-stakes conversations, client calls, interviews, negotiations, this could be worth having open in the background. Link to try it, including the cheaper AppSumo lifetime deal, is in the description. Subscribe if you want more honest AI tool testing. See you in the next one.